Can you imagine that you can use a VR to put all your sketches on the wall as a mural artist? Also to do canvas, to paint something at your house? It's been my recently addiction, and I will show you in this video the tutorial how to do it. In this video I'm using the app Contour and this headset, but you can use any headset that has the AR functionality. That means augmented reality, because you can see that you have the cameras here. So this allows me to have a mixed reality. While I'm using the app inside of the glasses, I'm also seeing the reality. And we're gonna use that to our advantage as a mural artist to do this wall here become a piece full of personality with a mural. So let's start. Right now I will explain you what you need to start this. To start, I have the design that I created by myself in my iPad, and I need to do two important things in this process to send it to my headset. The first thing, I need to save it as a PNG, so I don't have the background, and I will share as PNG. Now has a really nice trick that I will teach you guys, because we are using the app Contour. What means that the proportions don't get right if you don't have the design exactly in square ratio. So what you do? As you can see, my design is not squared, so I will create right now a new project where it is squared, okay? So I have a squared ratio, and I will share my design here. Of course, I will have some white places, white spaces, but this is not important. The important is the entire PNG file is squared for the app. And now I have my design to send to my headset. How I do that? I put my design in the drive, so it's easy for me to enter in drive on my headset and download the design. Here I just uploaded my squared radio design on my drive by my iPad. Here we are. So now is the time that we're gonna have fun, because we're gonna use the VR headset. This is amazing. I think it's the most fun part of being a traveling muralist, because for those that don't know me, I'm Kathleen Dukes, I'm a traveling muralist. I'm traveling the world doing those murals. I do all my content here in YouTube, and especially on my Instagram. And this has been something that I love. I'm doing a lot of murals with that, and also a lot of videos, because it's been so fun. And now is the tricky part that we need to download it on our VR. Okay. Oof. I can see you guys. I will share, while I'm doing the video, I will share the screen of my glasses so you can see what I'm doing. Here I already have the Wi-Fi, but normally you need to put the Wi-Fi. When I am in a house that don't have Wi-Fi, I use my cell phone 4G and I share it with the glasses to do it. And now I'm entering on Safari. Sometimes when I'm by myself, I put the music here so I can listen to some music while I'm doing it. To me, this is the easiest way to have the design in your computer, because the app will ask for this design to fix it on the wall. Now that everything's done, we're gonna open the app. That's the Contour one. I will do another video also testing another app. So I will let the link here so you can see which app do you prefer, because right now it has two apps that are so famous between the mural artists, and this one is the one that I'm using more, being honest. We're gonna choose the design. Here we are. Ooh. Okay, now that we have it, we need to use the controller to choose which is the area that we need to fix, to put it. So here is the wall. It's better if you are right on in the middle of the wall, and you choose here. Here we are. I can also change the angle that's doing, and also the deepness. And I would say this is perfect, like this. Yes, but as you can see, it's big, so I will put the next one. To start, I want to put this pantalla here so I have a better view of the wall. And we're gonna adjust it. So right now, is the position. In the position, I adjusted the scale, but as you can see, I need to also adjust, will be a little bit more below it, abajo. Now I put a little bit more scale, little bit more. In the next page, the adjust, I can move here using this controller to move if I want more left, more right, more up, more down. I will put a little bit more down, a little bit more there. Here we are. I think it's a little bit. Now it's perfect. Yes. Okay. Here we are. And right now is just the time to draw it. It's the most fun part. And right now, this is a new feature of this app. I have two options. That the first one is the button A, that I literally erase the painting of the wall, because sometimes I have a lot of details, and you are painting, you are like, I don't know if this is right. So you just press here, and you are like, okay, perfect, and you keep doing with the design. And another option is, with this, you can choose the opacity that you want. As you can see here, is full opacity, so I almost cannot see my hand, and I can put a little bit less opaque, so I'm seeing more my hands and less the design. It's better when you have so much details. For this one, I let it slight opaque, because it's just pastel colors. And everything you need now is normal pencils and eraser if you need to. You can also choose to use that with some chalk, but I prefer the pencil, so it's just about preferences. Let's start with this beautiful margarita. See. So beautiful. One thing that I don't recommend for you guys is to take off your glasses while you are doing it. Because since those apps are new, they still have some problems. Sometimes when you take off the glasses and after you put again, your design just moves on the walls. Not always, but you know, it's better if you just avoid it. So I prefer to do that in one sit, non-stop, and I can finish it and be sure that everything will be smooth and perfect. The glasses that I'm using right now are the Meta Quest 3, and they have two options, the Meta Quest 3 and the 3S. I think you can start with the 3S because the only difference is the quality. Right now I'm seeing 4K quality, but I would say even the 4K quality is not perfect, so I'm not sure how is the visor and how is the LED and the screen of the S. I never tried before, but I know they can do the same things as the 3 does. Also, you can use other brands, of course, but the brands need to be... Wait. Okay. But the brand needs to be a AR option. You have also the one from Apple. The one from Apple, I think, is something between like 3,000 and 4,000 euros. I think it's a little bit too much, but if you can do it, just go for it, girl or guy. I'm happy with mine from Meta. I think a lot of things can be better, but for now it's been the best thing that I have as an artist. Whew. And before I was using two techniques to put the design on the wall. The first one is the normal one, the one that you use the iPad, you see the design and you are doing just as freehand somehow. And I also used the projector and the VR ones for sure. I think I can do a video comparing the VR with the projector. If you want, guys, just put it here in the comments, so I can explain you the difference between them, the prices, and like how I'm feeling as an artist using the VR or using the projector. So if you want this, just comment it and I can do this video for you. But I can already say to you that VR is my favorite between the projector or the VR. I'm going with the VR for sure. Without doubts. And this is how I'm using the VR headset to sketch my mural on the wall. This is already the 7th mural that I'm using that. I'm already obsessed with that. I think I already said that like 4 times. And if you have any other questions or doubts about how to use, if you need a different tutorial, if you need any assistance or guidance, just write it here in the comments what you want to know, and I do a video especially for you about the VR. You can also ask about the different brands, different applications. Just ask me here and I can do more videos for you guys. The next video that I'm doing is about a tutorial how to sketch the mural on the wall, but with a different application. Because right now we have 3 different apps that are so famous between the mural artists. I'm using more the contour, the one that I teach you guys in this mural, but in the next video I'm doing about another application. Just see here in the description that I will put the link in another video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it and also use it. If you use it, just tag me here and I will... I don't know how to say that in English. Okay. And so see you in the next mural. Bye bye.